This is your dashboard. Here, you can view your recent activity and access the courses and practice sessions you've created. Let's start by creating your first course. On the course creation page, you can upload an unlimited amount of study material in any format. Files, PowerPoint presentations, YouTube links, Wikipedia pages, or even recorded content. You can also select different languages and difficulty levels for your course. Here's an example of a course I created. You can see a mind map that organizes the entire course into topics and subtopics, allowing you to dive into each section in depth. There's also a built-in chatbot you can ask very specific questions about the course. Its biggest advantage is that it's highly accurate and only based on the study material and the instructor's content. It doesn't go off topic or make things up. You can view all the study notes that the system automatically generated for your course. It takes all the content you uploaded and neatly organizes it into structured categories. The next step is practice what you've learned. Here, you can see the most recent practice sessions you've created, and you can choose from several different practice methods. The first option is a quick quiz. Simply select the topics you want to practice. Adjust a few basic settings like the number of questions, difficulty level, and quiz length, and start practicing immediately. As you can see, this quiz includes both multiple choice and open-ended questions. Once you submit the quiz, you'll receive detailed feedback on your answers, with explanations for every question, both multiple choice and open-ended. In the quiz editor page, you can review the correct answers, delete questions, reorder them, or even add new ones. You can always export the quiz to any format you like and easily share it with friends so they can practice on your quiz as well. Another way to practice is through a smart session. This is powered by an advanced spaced repetition algorithm that tracks your progress and serves questions that gradually increase in difficulty. It adapts to your learning pace until you've fully covered all the course material. This session doesn't give a grade. Its main goal is to help you practice and retain the content effectively. Start exploring, practice your way, and watch your learning become faster and easier than ever.